Hey everybody, so we are going to do Cowgirl candy. It's a version of cowboy candy, but it has pineapple. So what you want to have is 1 pound of jalapenos and slice them up. Wear gloves. If you don't have gloves, hold the end of the pepper right here and slice it slice it down and don't touch anything. And if you do get peppers on your hands, wash them in cold water, cold soapy water. Don't use hot water. If you use hot water, it's going to open up all these pores. It's just going to send those oils right into your hands, and take my word for it, it will burn for days. I did that once making salsa and canning peppers. I did not wear gloves, and for 3 days my hands burned like nobody's business. So you want 1 pound of sliced jalapenos, and you can double, triple, or whatever this recipe. You want some chunk pineapple, fresh or canned. You want 2 cups of sugar and 2 tablespoons of mustard seed and 2/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. So this pan is hot already. Don't inhale that. Add your sugar. Hey! Now is not the time. Go outside. Go outside. Come on. Outside. No bark. Sorry, the dogs decided they want to get all wound up. Don't inhale. Oh my goodness. That vinegar will get you. Holy cow. Okay. The 2 tablespoons of mustard seed. You could use celery seed if you prefer. We're going to get this sugar dissolved, and then we will add our jalapenos, and they will simmer for 5 minutes. We're going to bring this up to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer after we put in our jalapenos. I'm trying not to breathe this because it's choking me. Mask would be handy right now. It's not like we don't have any on. I have my jars boiling. My lids are hot. The only time I heat ball lids is when I'm water bath canning, and they are the lids that came with your new jars. I use lemon lids for the most part. I only use the ball that come with the jars. And lemons you have to get hot. any of your extra think I have more than a pound in there. Any of your extra seeds, save those, dry them out, and use them to grow your peppers next year. I think I have more than a pound here. So hopefully I have enough brine. Maybe I'll half it, add some more. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, that got me. That's better. And any extra brine you have, you can also can that. A lot of times you'll have a lot of brine left after you do your cowboy candy. Can that and it makes a great marinade. And this particular Cowgirl candy is really good if you put it in the food processor and chop it up and then mix it in with some softened cream cheese for a dip. It's good on burgers, sandwiches, hot dogs. It's good as a marinade for chicken and pork. You can pulverize it and use it in your barbecue sauce. There's lots of things you can do with it. Just get creative. So we're going to let this simmer for 5 minutes and then we'll start adding it to our jars. Okay, so I have my pineapple, my peppers. This is what they look like. Had everything but the funnel. Okay, so first we are going to put in some pineapples and put 4 to 5 pieces or more if you want. Peppers. Put that down a bit. And I'm going to layer these taller ones. I put 4 more pineapples. And our brine. The air conditioner's fixed, you guys. You want to fill it to 1/4 inch of headspace. We had to replace the whole thing, and I doubt the electric company will assume any responsibility for that. So in this short one, I'm going to add 4 pieces of pineapple. peppers. Poke them down some. So yeah, we had to replace the whole unit. So that was a chunk of change. Quarter-inch of headspace. I'm getting all sticky. I think it looks pretty in these taller jars when you layer it, even though they have some, what do you call that, water calcium. I don't put vinegar in my canner. I'll just wipe my jars down with vinegar because it causes pitting and turns your canner black and stuff like that. So, and that's, if you don't want to wipe them down after, you can put vinegar in your canner to prevent the water residue filled up. I forgot to add a few more pineapples. Down. This stuff is so yummy. I just saw a fly. No flies allowed. Last 3 pieces of pineapple. Bubble everything. And because we used everything. I'm going to wash the sticky off my hands. We are going to wipe our rims. Make sure you don't have any of that syrup on the rim of your jars. You don't want them to not seal. Jars are hot, so be careful. If you do your lids one up, one down, one up, one down, you won't have problems with them sticking together. My aunt showed me that about 30 years ago. Put them all on fingertip tight. Don't crank them down. Put them in your water bath. When everything comes back to a boil, you will let them process for 15 minutes and then take them out and we'll be ready. Okay, it's ready. So there we have it. Our Cowgirl candy, pineapple and jalapenos. So give this a try. It's really yummy stuff. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.